Hello everyone, this is Lisa my dear, and I'm here with an unboxing. We're going to open up this package to see what is in here. So, got my handy dandy scissors. I'm going to cut it open and we're going to see what's going on with the package. Okay, it's out. Now, you see where it says fragile? Can you see that? It says fragile. All right, and let me see. Trying to open the box. Ugh. And it's a cell phone, guys. It's a cell phone. This is an iPhone 13. My other phone went out again, so I had to break down and buy me another cell phone. Now, what all this phone can do, I don't know. I have to get it set up and everything. But yeah, this is the unboxing of an iPhone 13. And it's blue. You see the blue? It is so pretty. Thank you guys for watching this video. Leave a like, leave a comment, and if you feel like sharing it, share the video. Share the video. All right, everyone. This is Lisa, my dear, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.